Welcome back. Kolva Gram Sabha on Sunday took a resolution to oppose demolition of houses coming under CRZ. There was a lot of hot discussion regarding illegal housing projects. Some members also made allegations of corruption. As there was chaos at the meeting, Sarpanch adjourned the meeting. Let's see what happened at the Gram Sabha.
Prudential developers akode ye permission naslole inspection potastana 3.5 meters deep sheta bitor encroach kon filling kela asa ek board astora tika te bolla asa amge shed आणि amge board ye गाव स्वतः जाय असता कित्याक this is ecosystems one तुम नॅनो झालेली हांव सांगता. As the sarpanch of this village, have you forget about him? Have you observed it or not? तिंगा land filling जाता म्हणून फाटले
लोक दोड बांधले वर बांधता काढाय नु दोड बांधता सोर काढाय नु शट दोड असो बांधता काढाय नु
very good तुम्ही बोला नो ते permission असा no you are believing what the town planner has written. Have you
I have not given any permission to him. Read it. The wall is already casted on the side.
What is
compound wall? What is retaining wall? That is compound wall. What am I mentioning? It's a compound wall or retaining wall.
What about the people of the village who have been living here for years and years together? You have got to demolish their house, saying it's an illegal structure. Mashera, time to put in a new plan. I am saying if you really are working for the villagers, please be honest and be just. So we have 8% rule of Pasai.
पंचायत एडवोकेट नुको बिल्डर आगे एडवोकेट येता तिंगा
तुम सर्व एक गावच्या लोकांचे शिरा बोलतोय तुम्ही अरे शिरा बोलतोय इथे आहे तू गाव एक बिल्डराचे बिल्डिंग चोय आणि जे लोक बोलतायत वाले सर तू का लोकांनी दिसत लोक बोलतायत चोय तुम मेंबर किती आहे ते सांगा त्याचा रिझाईन द्या रे किती माणसाचे तुमका रिझाईन द्या म्हणून हे लोकांपासून तुमका भाव नाही सोळा नाही बदलू.
Our reporter at Kolva, Sameer Bhatt.
Roads are considered to be the veins of the nation, transporting vehicles and people from one destination to the other. But if the veins are overloaded with traffic, then major accidents are bound to occur. Such is the case of Vasco, the harbour city of the state. At present, every possible traffic problem prevails on the roads of Vasco.
Vasco certainly has seen a lot of development in the past few years, but the basic problems still persist and hound the citizens. The major hurdle for Vasco are the narrow and underdeveloped roads and highways. Few days back, a youth in Vasco proved to be a victim of the unorganized traffic system in Vasco. Road leading from Chikali to Sada has not been widened for the past 40 years, whereas the number of vehicles have increased manifold. National highway from Verna to Sada is still waiting for its completion. Heavy traffic circulation would have been more smoother if the 5-kilometer stretch from Mangur to Sada had been given its appropriate conclusion. Adding woes to the misery, we get to see regular breakdowns of heavy trailers and trucks at the Wade slope, the only way into the Vasco city. Dr. Uday Nagarshekar put some focus on the Wade slope crisis.
जर ही 4-lane हायवे म्हाका दिसता ती फक्त एक 2 किंवा 3 महिन्याचे सरकारान सामकें जर हाजेर काम घेत तो रस्तो पूर्ण जावंक शकता इतली लागीं काम आसा तें पूण कोणाचेच मनाक ना तें आणि ट्रक बंद पडतात हाजे दुसरे कारण इज ओवरलोडिंग ऑफ द कोल.
आप यहाँ बरनापुरी में रहते हैं मंगूर में.
हाँ सर.
आपका यहाँ पे हाईवे के जो रास्ता अभी एक्वायर किया उसमें घर था
दुकान थे सभी तोड़ दिया.
अभी 5 साल हो गया. यहाँ पे रास्ता भी नहीं बन रहा है, हाईवे भी नहीं बन रहा है और कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट भी रास्ते का कुछ आगे का काम नहीं हो रहा है. तो आप क्या आपका क्या ये है?
अभी तक रोड बनना चाहिए था और रोड तो बना नहीं, लेकिन घर तो तोड़ दिया हम लोग का, सबका घर तोड़ के अभी तक कंप्लीशन भी नहीं आया बरोबर.
की हेवी व्हेकल सकाळी 8 पहिली कशेच व्हेकल म्हणजे सकाळी 6 ते 8:30 पर्यंत हेवी व्हेकल आमच्या वास्को नाका.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath believes that the present education system only provides a means to earn but not make a good citizen of the country. He was speaking at the felicitation program of the Bhatikar Model English High School in Margao.
IT education system, does it produce good and honest citizens in this country? कदाचित ही सिस्टीम आमकां जोडपाक शिकयता, खंयच्याय फिल्डां वच पयशे करपाक शिकयतली. दोतोर जाता, इंजिनियर जाता, IT इंजिनियर जाता, प्रोफेशनल जाता, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट जाता. Does it make good citizens?
The ex-student of Bhatikar Model English High School and the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath felicitated Damodar Kavlekar, the ex-headmaster of school, and Rohidas Naik, the ex-teacher of the school, ex-chairman of MPT Arvind Bhatikar, former MP of South Goa Ramakant Angli, principal of Damodar Higher Secondary School Uday Barikar, and president of Felicitation Committee Sandeep Paingankar were also present at the felicitation program. Kamath said that he was fortunate to be a student of this school.
I was fortunate that I had the privilege of getting trained from teachers like Olekar sir and Naik sir. I thank them. म्हणजे हांव तांकां सगळ्यांच्या वतीन तांचो आभारी आसा की तांणी बरें शिक्षण म्हाका त्या काळांत भाटेकाराच्या हायस्कुलांत दिलें म्हणून आज तांचो सत्कार करता आसतना म्हाका दिसता तांकांय खूब आनंद जातलो की आपलो एक विद्यार्थी जावं एक विद्यार्थी तरी आपलो गोंय राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री जाल्लो, जे तांणी सुद्दां चिंतन आसलें की आपणे शिकयल्लो हो भुरगो गोंय राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री.
Damodar Kavlekar, who was felicitated, said that this felicitation is special for him because he has been felicitated by his own ex-students.
ह्या सत्कारान हांव आनी म्हाजो दोस्त, म्हाजो सहकारी आमी दोगी भाडावन येयल्ले. हो सत्कार, ह्या सत्कारात एक वैशिष्ट्य आसा, एक अपूर्व योगायोग आसा, एक अपूर्व संगम आसा. हो सत्कार आमच्या माजी भुरग्यांनी केला.
Ex-chairman of MPT Arvind Bhatikar said that people respect the personalities with power and money.
असे लोक असतात समाजात जे स्मगलिंग करतात, सगळ्यांक खबर आसता, सगळ्यांक खबर आसता, भुरग्यांक सुद्दां खबर आसता. तरी आसतना तुम्ही ताका चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून आपयतात, तरी आसतना तुम्ही ताका हार घालतात, तरी आसतना तो कितें उलयतलो तुम्ही ताळयो पाडटात आनी ताका वालोर दिता. म्हणटकर मागीर आमच्या समाजात तुम्ही मेसेज स्प्रेड करता कितें, इट डजंट मॅटर how a man earns money, it doesn't matter how a man gets power. आज जो तुझे पैसो आसा, आज जो पावर आसा, तो कसो आयलो तुझे कडेन, कसो केलो, लोकांक कितले लोकांक फटयले, कितले लोकांक मारले, कितले लोकांक रस्त्यार उडयले, कितले लोकांचे पोटार वाड आयलो, हे कोण पळयना.
Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.